Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, my name is Randall Jenkins, and I am with the Power Lead System. What I want to do today is just talk to you a little bit about what's going on, first, about what's going on in the world, and also to briefly give you some of the products and characteristics of the Power Lead System. Now, we all know that the virus is all around us, and we have to be extra careful about where we go and who we touch and who we are close to. But we also see that people are being laid off from their jobs, and people are working at home. But there are a lot of people that have been laid off, and I have always said it, and I will continue to say it, that if you have a full-time job and you work as an employee somewhere, you need to have a backup plan. You need to have a backup plan. What are you going to do if they lay you off your job besides file for unemployment? And so most people can see now that they need a backup plan or they needed a backup plan. And I have just that plan for you. And I hope that you'll take a good look at it and it can help you to make a good part time income, or it can help you to make a good full time income, or it can just help you if you need some money, period. So, as I said, my name is Randall Jenkins. I've been online marketing for at least 10 years. And it's one thing that I have always known is that it's good to have a backup plan, a side business, if you want to call it, a side hustle, or your own online business, just in case something happens. Now, this system here is called the Power Lead System, and it's just that. It helps you to get leads. One of the first things that you need when you have any business, whether it's an online business or a offline business, is you need leads. Okay, you need eyeballs in front of your website. You need eyeballs in front of your building. If you own a McDonald's, you need people to come to the McDonald's, and you need cars to be passing by to see the sign. So it's the same way with an online business. You would have your link and you put that in front of people that are interested in having their own home-based business. Now, one thing that I personally like about the Power Lead system is that it is a very simple system to start. Very simple system to start. I'm going to click on the Getting Started link, and right now this is getting started. The first thing that you do when you set up your account with Lead Lightning or the Power Lead system, you will click on the Easy button. Click on the Get Started button. Okay? When you click on the Get Started button, it's going to take you to this video where it shows you getting started in 3 simple steps. The first step, you're going to join our Facebook group. You're going to click there. Step 2, you're going to choose the link below to advertise. And step 3, you're going to advertise your link. Okay? So funnel 1 is Lead Lightning. To start Lead Lightning, you would put in your email, look over the information, and to get started, it is a one-time fee of $7. That's right, $7. Now, if you can't afford $7 to start your own business, you are probably best not to start a business yet. Funnel 2 is the free Lead Lightning system, and it has your business, your other business, plus Lead Lightning. Okay? So, after you get started, then you go to the training. You can click on the training, and you have the training area, and you have other different forms of training. Power VIP club, social proof, how to train with social media, endless free leads. When you become a Lead Lightning member, a silver member, you will get the endless free leads, which is done by a gentleman that he is the world-renowned person as far as social media. Okay. Now, one thing that I like about uh, Lead Lightning and the Power Lead system is that it teaches you how to do your own funnels. It trains you and tells you about funnels. What are funnels? How funnels are used. Okay? Then it teaches you how to do your own funnel. But even if you don't want to do your own funnel, that you can go to website and then you go to my web pages, and after you go to my web pages, it's going to show you a list of my web pages. Okay, I get these pages from the person that I signed up with. They have what is called a share code. A share code is just that. He shares his code with me. I put that code in, and I can tell you where that is right here. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. Right here. So under websites, you would go to, on the right hand side, my share code. Then you click on my share code, and it's going to take you to a list of share codes that I already have. Okay. Now, so one good thing I'm saying that I like about that is that we have different funnels that I can create myself, or funnels that my team member Alan has already created and he has shared with the team. This is one website right here. This is a funnel right here. It has a video and it tells you about $500 days, the mechanics of a $500 day online. And then as you go under, it tells you about our compensation plan. Okay, so here's another great funnel that you don't have to do any of the telling, or all you have to do is share your link with people who are interested in having their own business, and they will look at it. If they're interested, that they will join and they will contact you for more information, or if they have questions, they'll ask questions. Now here's another funnel. This funnel is called Insider Success Report. Okay? And this funnel is where a person would read the whole funnel, read the whole report as they go down, and then those that are interested again would click, and then they can get more information, or they could join. And this tells you about how to have your own online businesses and what you're going to get when you join our team. Okay? So, one good thing that you can do is that if you're short on money, you can join Lead Lightning for $7, only $7. Once you join, you can get on Facebook and join my Facebook group, and we will teach you how to market your link on your Facebook page for no money at all. Okay? Now, yes, the best way to get results is by buying paid advertisement. Buying paid advertisement is the best way to get quick results. But if you don't have any money, you can still market, and I can show you how to market on Facebook for no money at all. And it's going to be a little slower, but you will start building your business. Okay? So I just want to give you that quick synopsis of the Power Lead system. Every business owner needs the Power Lead system because every business owner needs leads. And the Power Lead system gets leads each and every day. If you want to market the Power Lead system as a business by itself, we get paid every Wednesday, just like clockwork. Okay? So, at the end, you may say, well, Randall, how have you done with the Power Lead system? And you would be okay to say that, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Stripe and I'm going to log into my Stripe account so that you can see what I've done since January part-time. Okay, now I'm also a tax accountant, and so that's what I have been doing for 30 years, but I've marketed online for the last 10 years, and I do it part-time. And so this is just one of my income streams, but you can see right here, Jenkins Marketing Group. This is the name of my marketing company, Jenkins Marketing Group, and this is what I have done in the last 2 to 3 months. You can see right here, $7,890 that I've done in the last 3 months with the Power Lead system just by itself. Okay, so you can do that too if you join our team, and I can help you with it. I can coach you, and I can get you on the right track to making some good part-time money that can turn into full-time money. Okay, my name is Randall Jenkins. You can call me at 512-589-0744, or hit me up on Facebook, or hit me up on YouTube. I hope this video has been beneficial for you and has given you massive value. If you have any questions or concerns, call me, reach out to me, or text me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay? All right. Well,